In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a safety check on Google Chrome step by step so you can quickly review your password safety, extension risks, safe browsing status, and browser updates. This is one of the easiest ways to make sure Chrome is running securely and that your browsing experience is protected. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can launch it from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, depending on how you normally open your browser. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see the three dots menu there. Click those three dots to open the main Chrome menu. From the menu, scroll down and click Settings. This will open Chrome settings in a new tab where you can manage privacy, security, appearance, and other browser options. Now that you're in Settings, look at the left sidebar. Click Privacy and Security. This section contains the tools and controls that help keep your browser and personal data protected. Under Privacy and Security, look for the Safety Check option. In some versions of Chrome, you may see a button that says Go to Safety Check. Click that button to start the scan. Chrome will now begin checking for several important security items. First, it will review password safety and let you know if any of your saved passwords have been exposed in a data breach or need attention. Next, it will check extension risks to make sure none of your installed extensions are suspicious, harmful, or behaving in a way that could affect your browser. Then it will review your safe browsing status, which helps protect you from dangerous websites, downloads, and phishing attempts. Finally, Chrome will check whether your browser is fully up to date, because keeping Chrome updated is one of the most important things you can do for security and performance. Once the scan finishes, Chrome will show you the results clearly so you can see if anything needs action. If Chrome recommends changing a password, removing a risky extension, or updating the browser, go ahead and follow those suggestions right away. That way, your browser stays safer and more secure. And that's it. You've now completed a safety check on Google Chrome. It only takes a minute, but it can make a big difference in protecting your account and your device. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.